Hello, we'd like to talk about how to share test objects with EasyQA. EasyQA test management tool can help you to cope with this task as it allows to upload and share software builds for testing. To upload builds, you need to have an edit organization and a project. By opening My Projects, we can upload a test object. To do so, press Add Test Objects button. If we need to add a test object to an already existing project, you just click on the project's title. On Project Overview page, you also will see the button for adding test object. The user can also add test object on Test Objects page. This page displays all the test objects uploaded so far. After pressing Add Test Objects button, you will see a page for uploading a build file. You can also add the link of the tested website for testing. There are a few types of test objects to upload: Android build APK file, iOS build IPA file, website link. Ways to add test objects: click on highlighted area and select a file. Drag and drop selected file. Indicate the link for a test object. The data about all stages of development is saved along the time of project existence in EasyQA test management tool. After uploading the file or typing the link for the tested website, you can click Save Object button. The user can see the following results after uploading the test objects: the uploaded build file name, the uploading status, the size of the uploaded file, a generated link for the build file to install it on the device. When file is successfully uploaded, the build will be displayed on the test objects list, which looks like a table with each build file short description. You cannot delete the uploaded test object. If you want to view a more detailed test object description, you should press the arrow button located near to the entry, which will display more info about a particular build. The user has an opportunity to share a test object with team members immediately after uploading in EasyQA test management tool. You can execute sharing in two ways: copy the link or send it by email. Also, each team member can open test objects page and copy required link at any time. You can share the link to the build file installation by selecting the recipient from the team members list. You can do this by pressing Send by Email button. The next thing we see is the list of the project's members. The user selects recipients by clicking on a checkbox. The last step is to press Send Link button. If you open the test object link in the mobile phone browser, it will be downloaded and then installed. That's it, you can start testing. EasyQA test management tool allows to get built directly from GitHub or GitLab. To start this process, you need to integrate EasyQA project with these systems at first. The user can add plugin on Integrations page or Plugins tab. Press Add New Plugin to set a new integration. First, you should choose the system you want to integrate with in the pop-up window. We choose GitHub and start filling in the following data. Repository URL is the full address of your project at GitHub. Access token is your personal token to access your projects. To generate a new token, you should access GitHub, Settings, Personal Access Tokens, type required info and click Generate New Token button. In the new window, select Scope Repo. If the user chooses GitLab and start filling in the following data: repository URL is the full address of your project at GitLab. Access token is your personal token to access your projects. To generate a new token, you should access GitLab, Profile Settings, Access Tokens, type required info and click Create Personal Token button. Now you're ready to generate test builds from your project code stored on GitHub or GitLab. Get Test Object button on Test Objects page. After this, you will see the form for selection of the service from what you want to generate the build. After the generation process is completed, you will see your build on Test Objects page. All of the mentioned above is very useful. You just need to try it now on a real project. We hope the entire development team will love it, so contact us without any hesitation to find out all the advantages and opportunities of EasyQA.